Hey guys, welcome to our channel. It's me, Teho. I hope that you're going to enjoy today's video. Definitely give it a thumbs up. It really helps us when you communicate with us on the videos. It helps YouTube to recommend them to more people. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that you're always notified when you upload a new video. So let's get into this video. We have a customer who's ordered this. It's a rustic mirror, and Amon has been working on the frame. So all that's left is to put the mirror once it's bought. But yeah,
The hardboard.
the hardboard. We once had a customer come to our house, and some of the frames, they had like scars like this one, and she didn't want the scar, but this particular customer is buying, this is what they want.
Yeah.
So that's it. Ooh, that was one quick one. So this would be a typically 10 rand one, eh?
Yeah. The food you have water, I can see what it's
Look at the water. They will be fresh. Many things are taking place in this kitchen. The cooking of cabbage, once it's cooked, we turn it into dry cabbage so that it can be eaten in the future. And these are the cabbages that got harvested and then the car wouldn't start, and so they were not sold. The smell of braai when there's no meat to braai. And then there's meat walking about everywhere. We just put the second cabbage outside. It actually smells really good because it's coming from the fire. Feathers got ruffled here. Amon was trying to chase the chicken out and the dogs were trying to he was trying to chase the chicken out and the dogs were trying to catch and kill the chicken. I'm hearing Amon saying, it's still alive. He actually thought it was dead. You thought the chicken was dead. It will learn to not be naughty. The cock, so the rooster. Amon brought it from next door because he didn't have confidence in his roosters. He thought that they won't give big eggs, they are young. I don't know where he got that idea from. But that thing is wild. It behaves like in a really wild way. Anyways, it also loves the house, and this is how it's getting its ruffles feathered. What did I say? Its ruffles feathered. Its feathers ruffled. Look where Moana is hiding from Amon. There's evidence on her mouth of catching a chicken. The feather is refusing to leave her mouth. Come here, let's see. And they nearly had me eating chicken for supper today. I saw this activity from the house.
Yeah. Because the tomatoes are a lot at the market in Chiba.
Won't that make the tomatoes super salty? But you know tomatoes can be finished overnight. Tomatoes can be finished
At the
overnight.
market.
Yeah. No, I mean the rate at which people are like, tomatoes got hit with a disease and suddenly there's no tomatoes. I wonder what these guys are doing in the garden, because they see me and they already want to run away. What are you doing in the garden? I'm coming to harvest some cherry tomatoes for tonight's meal, which is a pasta. Simple one with no meat. Not the way I would choose to eat pasta, but we haven't got meat in the house. We wanted to buy meat the other day. When was that? Sunday? Anyway, we would have eaten it on Sunday. But we realized that where we buy those steaks for $1 per half a T-bone, we realized that we're eating meat for free at Head and Hooves, because every other place per kg meat is really expensive. I don't like plants that are bushy like this. It's the cabbages that have taught me not to like plants that are bushy like this, because there are some creatures, we won't mention them by name, they like to hide in the bushes. You know, in my mom's village, they don't mention a snake in the evening by its name. They don't say snake in the evening. In Setswana, they call it a rope. So yeah, it was a belief that if you call it by its name, it might show up. I guess it's an issue of attracting what you fear, and I hope to not attract it myself, because and the other day Amon saw one in the passage. I tell you guys, so we have a small gap under our door. For the longest time I kept saying, when you go to town, we need to get that thing that goes under the door. And I've said that even when I've seen it before, and Amon procrastinates to buy it. And the other day he saw a snake in the passage when he was coming from the neighbor's house, and he basically shoved he shoved his tracksuit underneath the door. I laughed at him so hard. Yes, a watch handcrafted by Amon. We just remembered to show it now as we are delivering it. That's why it's outside.
I love it.
I wish we could together appreciate how beautiful this full moon is, but the phone will never do it justice. This is another one of Amon's creations. So this wood actually starts off light. Do you want to flip it for me so I show what it looked like before? It's that color, and yeah, you can put it back. And this was according to the specifications of the client. It's looking so good. And Amon had the legs welded by a welder, and he's going to paint them and put stoppers at the bottom so that they don't scratch the floors. Hope that you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, bye bye.